Chapter 4, Fractions and Percentages. Expressing one quantity as a fraction of another. Pause the video and have a go at examples 1 and 2. Example 1. John got 14 questions correct out of 20 in an exam. So 14 out of 20, what fraction did he get correct? 14 out of 20, but we always remember to simplify. We can divide the numerator and denominator by 2, so we get 7/10 of the exam correct. Example 2. Ed has 4 hours of spare time and he plays football for 45 minutes. What fraction of his spare time does he spend playing football? Here, if you just went with 45 over 4, that would be incorrect because the units are inconsistent. We need to make sure that our units are all the same. So we either make everything into minutes or everything into hours. If we make this into an hour, it's 3/4 of an hour, and I wouldn't like to have a fraction inside another fraction, so we're better going with everything in minutes. He has 4 hours of spare time, 60 minutes in 1 hour, so 4 hours would be 4 60s, which would be 240 minutes. 45 minutes of which is playing football. To simplify this fraction, we can think back into time, the context. 45 minutes, that's 3/4 of an hour, that's in blocks of 3 15 minutes. So 45 minutes can be divided by 15 to give 3. And how many 15 minutes is in 1 hour? Well, 15 minutes is 1/4 of an hour. So 1 hour is 4 15 minutes. 4 hours then would be 4 times 4, would be 16. 16 quarters of an hour, or 16 15 minutes would make up 240 minutes, or 4 hours. If that sounded too confusing, you can just divide by the highest common factor, which is 15. Or if you didn't spot that, just divide through by 5, and then you would divide through by 3.